For all the updates, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching You and Me. I am Shradha. If you're new here, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, because I come up with videos related to beauty, makeup, fashion, food, shopping, traveling and a lot more. So make sure that you subscribe. We all like to do DIY home remedies, but what I felt that it requires a lot of effort and you need to invest a lot of time. You need to gather a lot of ingredients together to do one DIY. So I thought that why not to come up with some very easy yet effective one ingredient DIY for all of you, which doesn't require too much of effort, yet you can get solution for all your problems. So the one that I'm having today for all of you is how you can take care of your lips, or how you can get rid of the black or chapped lips. So let's get started. Number one is almond oil. So what you can do is just you need to take 1 or 2 drops of almond oil, apply it on your lips and then go to bed, and in the morning you will have a regenerated lips with no dead cells or any chappedness. Number 2, use white or brown sugar to exfoliate your skin. By doing this, you can get rid of all the dead cells that you're having on your lips, and also slowly it will help you to get a lighter lips. Number 3, and the best, whenever you clean your lips, after that you can use just 3 or 4 fresh rose petals and just rub it on your lips. This will help to discolorate it. I mean, if you have a darker lips, you can slowly get a lighter lips. And if there's any patchiness on your lips, you can also get rid of that. Number 4 is coriander leaves. Yes, you can use coriander leaves as well. You just need to rub it whenever you get a chance, and this will also help you to get a pinker lips. 5th is olive oil. We all know that how beneficial olive oil is for our skin as well as for your hairs. So while applying it on your hairs or your skin, you can just take few drops of it and can apply on your lips. This will help you to get a softer lips as well as it will lighten its color. Number 6 is lemon juice. So we always use lemon juice for our skin as well as for your hairs, as it contains vitamin C, which is very good for our skin. So it can be also used to get a lighter lips as well. So you can just take few drops of lemon juice and can apply it on your lips and just keep it for some time and then wash it off. Or what you can do, you just need to rub the peel of lemon on your lips, and that will also work very nicely. With this comes number 7, orange peel. So you can also rub the orange peel on your lips, because you must have seen that there's so many face washes and face masks that contains orange peel. So it's very beneficial, as orange peel is also rich in vitamin C, which is very beneficial and effective for our skin. Number 8, brush your lips. Yes, but before brushing, mind it that the bristles that you are using is super soft. It shouldn't be hard. You just need to brush your lips very gently, and this will help you to get rid of all the dirt as well as the dead cells can be removed when we brush our lips. Number 9 is scrubbing. So if you don't want to brush your lips, then what you can do is just take very little amount of scrub on your fingers and gently exfoliate your skin. This will also again help to get rid of all the dirt that you are having, and this will help you to get rid of all the dead cells or the chappedness on our lips. So you can either use the normal scrubs that are available in the market, or you can create your own. I have done a special video separately for only lips scrub, so you can check that also. I'll share its link in the description box. Definitely go and check it, or I'll also link it at the end of this video. Number 10, this is not one ingredient, but you can use them separately also. Just make a paste of honey and turmeric, mix together and apply it on your lips. Keep it for 5 to 10 minutes until it gets a little bit dried, and then take it off. You can just rub your lips with clean cotton cloth piece, or you can just brush it off using your toothbrush. You can also apply toothpaste on your lips. Just apply a very thin layer of it and keep it for few minutes, maybe 5 or 10, and then just rinse it off. This will again help for the discoloration of your lips and to get rid of any patchiness or dark lips. Number 12 is very essential not only for your lips but for overall your health. Also, don't consume cups of coffee. Please ignore having coffee. This will not only darken your lips, but also it's not at all good for your health. Number 13, don't suck your lips. If we do it regularly, then all the blood circulation and the cells around our lips get disturbed, and then it creates chappedness and dryness on the lips, and that's not at all good for our lips. 14th is to always moisturize your lips. You can always carry a lip balm. That's very essential. And also it's very important that we keep our lips hydrated. So for that, drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water is the only simple and the best way of keeping a healthy body, mind and skin. And lastly, it's very important that we protect our lips from the sun as well as from the pollution. So for protecting our skin from the pollution, what we can do is that we always apply a layer of lip balm on our lip, and it's very essential not only when we are going out but also when we are in our home, because as I said that our lips don't have the glands that can clean it up by themselves. So it's very important that we keep it clean. And secondly, to protect it from the sun, there are plenty of lip balms available that has SPF in it, so we can buy that. Or what we can do is just apply the normal sunscreen that we apply to our skin on your lips as well, and then apply the lip balm or lipstick or whatever you want. So yes, that's it. These were some very simple, easy tricks and DIYs that you can do to nourish, moisturize your lips and to get a lighter lips. So if you like this video, then you know what to do. You just need to hit that like button below and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and like my Facebook page so that we can talk more often. So that's it. Now we'll meet on my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye.